Hello friends, welcome in Mamta Sood's Maths channel. So let's learn about the Roman numerals. I have told you about the Roman symbols and how to write the Roman numbers. But now let's learn a new method again to write the Roman numerals. And here today I'll complete the Roman numerals 1 to 50 first of all. This is my first target, primary task today in this video, to complete all the Roman numerals 1 to 50. Before I start the numbers, I'll just remind you that when we write any smaller number on the right side of the bigger digit, that means it's the addition of the Roman symbol. And when we write any smaller symbol on the left side of the bigger symbol, that means subtraction is there. For this we'll take few examples, and here some rules are there which you have to keep in mind while we'll start with writing the Roman numerals. The symbol I can be subtracted only from V and X. That means 5 and 10 से ही 1 को subtract कर सकते हैं हम. And then symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. यानी कि 10 को we can subtract only from 50 and C. Similarly, we can subtract only C from D and M. 500 and 1000 से सिर्फ 100 को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इन ब्रीफ इफ आई हैव टू से देन आई लेट यू नो दैट x के लेफ्ट साइड पे ओनली i आएगा, v के लेफ्ट साइड पे i आएगा, बट v कैन नॉट बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द x, यानी कि हम vx नहीं लिख सकते. सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट xc and xl, but we cannot write lx. We can write cx, but and here similarly we can write cd and cm. That means subtraction. This is for the subtraction rule. Now you recall your knowledge or watch the previous video what I have taught you how to write the Roman numerals. Here for one we have only 7 symbols. First mark all those symbols: I, V, X, C, D and M. These all 7 symbols are with us. There is no symbol for 0. So let's start. Only one symbol can be repeated 3 times, not more than 3 times. Then addition and subtraction rule will go on, and multiplication rule for the next symbols. So I can be repeated 3 times, X can be repeated 3 times, D can be repeated, C can be repeated 3 times, and M can be repeated 3 times. So I am going to circle the digits which can be repeated: I, X, C and M. Sorry students, I have left with the symbol that is L. L stands for 50. This is L. L stands for 50. So only 4 symbols can be repeated: I, X, C and M. Let's start writing. This is 1. I can be repeated 3 times, then 2, then 3. Then for this we will follow a formula of the subtraction. After I have V. If I'll write the just smaller digit on the left side of this V, I'll get the subtraction rule. That means V is 5 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Next we have a symbol for 5, that is V. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then after 5 I have this symbol X. So x minus 1. Minus 1 means on the left side. That is 10 minus 1 is 9, and the next symbol is x10. Then 10. It's very easy now. Please be careful for this. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and this 3, 13. Then 10 and this 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15, 10 and 6, 16. Similarly, you have to just come to know how to write till 9, and then 10, 20, 30, 40 this way. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, then 10 and 7, 10, 8, and then 10. Be careful, this is 10 and this is 9. Ix is 9. So 10 and 9, 19. And for 20, as x can be repeated 3 times, so here this is 20. So x multiplication rule, or x plus x is 20. So that is addition rule. Any rule you can apply here. So now again 20 and 1 to 9, I told you you'll use the same numbers. 21, 22, 23. Again be careful, this is 20, xx 20, and then 4 iv, then 20 this v 5, then 20 this vi 6, then 20 vii 7, then 20 v 1 2 3 8, then 20. Again be careful and notice here again this is 9, 29, then 30. X can be repeated 3 times. So go next, go ahead. 30, 1 2 3, 31, 1 2 3, 32, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3, 33, 30. Here 4 iv, this is 4, then 35, 36, 30 vii 7, 1 2 3, 30, 5 6 7 and 8, then 1 2 3, 30, and 9 symbol you know ix, then 40. Here I have to stop and just think of the number. After x I have the next digit L, which stands for 50, and according to the subtraction rule, we know that x can be subtracted from L. That means on the left side I have to put x and L here. That means 50 minus 10, it means it is 40. So 40. So xl is 40. Notice here again xl is 40, xl 1. Here as I'm changing the rule, so I'll change the pen also. Then x L 2, x L 1 2 3, XL, this is 40, XL, 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 40, 40, 40, 40, 44 as you know, IV, 44, then 45, then 46, 47, then 40, 1, 2, 3, 8, then 40, and this ix is 9, then 50, we have the symbol for 50L. Okay, I think it's clear with you, and it's very easy. Only you must know how to write 1 to 9 or 10. Then 1 is this, then 2 times, 3 times, but for 4 times we cannot repeat. So after 1 I have the next symbol 5. 5 से अगर I will subtract 1 तो I'll get 4. एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स लेफ्ट साइड पे आपको स्मॉलर डिजिट को लिखना होता है. 5 6 6 मीन्स 5 का सिंबल है मेरे पास, 6 का नहीं है, तो आई यूज 5. एंड इफ आई राइट अ डिजिट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड दैट मीन्स एडिशन. तो अगर 1 टाइम 5 के साथ आई लगा देते हैं तो ये 6 हो गया, ये 7 हो गया, 2 टाइम लगाया, यहाँ 3 टाइम लगाया, तो 5 6 7 8 हो गया. देन नेक्स्ट सिंबल 5 के बाद मेरे पास 10 है, तो 10 के अगर लेफ्ट साइड पे लगाती हूँ तो ये 9 बन जाएगा, और 10 के अगर राइट साइड पे लगाती हूँ तो क्या लग जाएगा 11. सो कीप इन माइंड and hope you will like it and enjoy it. So for any kind of query, contact me, comment me, like my video, share my video. Thank you very much.